Guys, today in this video we are going to deploy DevMD on Railway for free. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Open DevMD GitHub repository. I will provide link in the description. So start it and fork it. So I have already forked the repository. And then scroll down and click on pair code. Now link this to your Wattsapp and grab your session ID. Then we have to go to railway.app and click on dashboard and then click on new project. Then GitHub repository and then we have to select the DevMD to here. There is one benefit in this board because there are inbuilt variables for railway.app. So you have to simply put your settings like Hiroko, etc. After putting all your details, then simply click on deploy and then click on deployments, and you can see here our bot is now deployed. Our bot is now successfully deployed. Now we will check that our bot is working or not. You can see here we have received the DevMD connected message here, and we have to simply type .menu. You can see here our bot is working fine. So subscribe, like and wait for next video. I will deploy this bot on Koyeb.